Alright, let's make this fast. I've got 3 minutes left on my device, and it's almost the end of the year. We're going to kick this off with the first ever dinosaur that got to be revealed. Tonight, we're going to draw se-lOF-iss-iss. se-lOF-iss-iss started off as one of the first dinosaurs revealed, as shown on Walking with Dinosaurs, as it was revealed on Walking with Dinosaurs in the first place. And then after that, later, it first revealed itself on Dinosaurs Alive, which was a big shock for me. I kind of like that version of se-lOF-iss-iss better. And to be honest, I haven't really noticed why I haven't got the chance to draw se-lOF-iss-iss to begin with. Basically, for the reason is that it first started off as, well, it first started off as a small species. I first saw its fossil at the American Museum of Natural History gift shop. Well, the gift shop that's on the 4th floor. You know that one, right? They had a Lego mammoth diorama. Let's see. After that, they also had this, how do I explain this? Man, explaining stuff is hard. Am I right? It also had this, let's see, Pteranodon models being displayed at the AMNH. Well, okay, that just slipped out. Okay, I just found the book. It was codenamed as The Dinosaur's Smallest Beginnings. The Dinosaur's Small Beginnings. Yeah, that's what it says here in the book. And its fossil finds were in North America. I knew it! That's where I live. I always knew that would happen. I did it. I bet I can find se-lOF-iss-iss on Life on Our Planet. Oh yeah, I didn't get to see it on Life on Our Planet. That blows. But I will see it on Amazon Video. That's something worth seeing. Anyway. Oh shoot! Forgot to draw the other arm. Guess it's not finished yet. Ha. Sorry about that, you guys. It's the last year, and, well, I don't know how to celebrate it. Anyway, that is how you draw se-lOF-iss-iss.